Okay, so question number 3, it says here, Edwin is purchasing shoes. Okay, and Edwin's purchasing shoes. The first pair is $34.99. So the first pair is $34.99. And then the second pair is $28. Okay. The store is offering a special promotion. It says buy one, get 50% off a second pair. Have you seen something like that before? Buy one, get one half off. Yes? Yeah. Now, the thing is, when you get the half off, we're actually taking the half, which is 50% of the cheaper pair. Okay? You're not going to get 50% off on the more expensive. They always go for the cheaper one. Calculate how much Edwin will pay for both pairs of shoes after taxes. So, you know, the first pair is $34.99, and then we're gonna take 50% off the second pair, which is a cheaper one. So 50% times $28. Okay. Now, if it's 50% off, how much is on? 50. Okay, so this is we can go straight ahead to do the sale price. Okay, so the sale price is the 50% of 28. We figure that out, and that's going to give us 0.5 times 28. That's going to be $14. So the second pair will only cost us $14. So first pair, it's going to cost us $34.99, and then the second pair, which is the cheaper one, is 50% off, so 50% on, which is now $14. So let's add them up. 48.99. So $48.99, that one doesn't include the GST and PST. So the total would be 48.99 times 1.12. Okay. 48.99 times 1.12. Okay, so it's gonna give us $54.87 after we round it off. Okay, is everybody okay with that? So that's a promotion. You get 2 pairs for $54.87. Just not bad.
And that's a shoe warehouse?
Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, I see that quite a bit, right? Buy one, get one half off. And I got some coupons like that too from like a fast food restaurant sometimes. Okay, that's that piece. Now let's take a look at question 4. The following questions are optional, okay? Well, this is optional stuff, but we're not gonna shy from things like this. So let's see here. You received a discount of $5 off recent purchase. The amount of discount was 8%. What was the original price of the purchase? Okay. So we know the dollar amount of the discount, and we know that the percent amount of the discount is 8%. What we wanted to know is how much is the original price. So here's what we've done. Okay, we said we know 8% of something of something, some price. We don't know what the price is. So 8% discount of some price, regular price, is equal to $5. Okay? So 8% of something give us $5. Well, let's figure this out. 8 divided by 100, that's 0.08 times P equals to 5. Okay. Now we talked about this before. We said I call this a backwards question because we're solving for P. Okay, what's happening to P? P is getting multiplied by 0.08. So to solve for P, what are we gonna do? The opposite of multiply would be dividing. So we're gonna divide by 0.08. If I do that on one side, I gotta do it on the other side. So that 0.08 is gone, and what remains is just the P. So P is equal to 5 divided by 0.08. 5 divided by 0.08. And that's equal to 62.5. Okay, well, that would be $62.50. So that means the price was $62.50. When we take the 8% of that, that's a $5. Okay, would you like to? Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Lula's total cost for a new dress is $25.75. Total cost. What was the original before tax price of the dress? Okay, now this one here is really not a discount question. Kind of gives us back to the lesson one question. Lula's total cost for a new dress is $25.75. What was the original before tax price of the dress? Okay. How do we do that? We know that the price of a dress times 1.12, that's going to give us $25.75. So whatever the price of the dress is that got multiplied by 1.12, it gives us the $25.75. So how do we solve for P? How do we solve for P? Divide, yeah, divide by, okay, I'm gonna write it down over here. I see, C multiply 1.12. So what we're gonna do is the opposite of that. So we're gonna do the dividing 1.12. So let's do just that. 1.12 divided by 1.12. So that cancels out. So what remains is the P. Okay. Did you get $22.99? Yeah. $22.99. This is the price before the taxes got added or got included in it. Okay? Let's see the last one. Last one. Leave it up there. Karina received a discount on a sweater she bought. she paid, actual amount, she paid $16.75 for the sweater. The original price of the sweater before the discount was $22.95. Calculate the amount of the discount that she received on the sweater percent. Okay, calculate the how many percent off did she? So Karina received a discount on a sweater that she bought for $16.75 for the sweater. The original price of the sweater before the discount was $22.95. Calculate the amount of the discount. Okay, so what we could do is calculate the amount of the discount as a percent. Okay, as a percent. This is how I would do this part. Okay. So she paid this much when it was this. $16.75 out of $22.95. $16.75 out of $22.95. I'm gonna get 0.7298. And if we multiply that by 100, that's gonna give us about 73%. So 73%. She paid 73% of the amount. Okay. This is a sale price out of the original price, 73%. So how much is the discount? So the discount is 100%, and then she would actually just paid 73% of the value of the original price. So take away. So the discount is 27%. So this is a price divided by that. That's going to give us I'll label it down. So sale price, original price. So that's only 73% of the value. So if we only paid 73% of the value, then that means that the other 23% is gone. Okay. Is that one okay? Yeah. These ones are. It's not a, like I said, it's not a forward question. It's more like a backward question because we need to solve backwards to do this. Okay. So, having said that, this is your first assignment. Oh, in for a treat. Look at that. It's only one page. What? How is this even possible? One page, front and back. Okay? And that's it. Assignment one. Okay? And then we have the rest of the class to work on it. You can refer to your notes if you need the notes. You can refer to your class